Hey guys, going to show you how to bench bleed a master cylinder. It's really easy and it works for any master cylinder on any type of car. So check this out. And this pretty much goes for any master cylinder on any car. You always have to do this before it goes on to the car if it's brand new. Because there's going to be air inside the cylinder, inside the master cylinder, if you don't do this, and then you're going to be fighting for ever trying to get it to work. New master cylinder always comes with these lines, so you're going to want to utilize those lines unless you have a set of designated lines for this already, but I didn't. Came with these really janky fittings, so I'm really hoping they don't leak, so we'll find out. But anyway, so you want to take your brake fluid. I'm using .3, which is pretty much the standard. You want to fill up both bowls of the master cylinder. Definitely want them high enough so that the hoses are submerged. Then you want to take something like a screwdriver or extension or a screwdriver or something really, really big. And you want to push in to the piston here. When you push in, what it does is it creates fluid going through these hoses and pushing in. And you end up getting bubbles. I don't know if you can see them on camera or not, but you get bubbles in the fluid. Keep doing that a few times. And you're going to kind of want to do it relatively slow to get all the air out. Okay, and once you have no bubbles left, you're pretty much set. So all we're going to do is we're going to take these lines back off, put the cap back on, and then we're going to get it put back on the car, pretty much settle it, and have it all set so that we can bleed the whole system. That's how you bench bleed a master cylinder.